In a video product preview, your influencer holds a product like a real human like this. And all you need is the image of your product. Yes, you can create a marketing video that drives business success. This is unlike the other URL to video generators which use only product image and an avatar. Here you can create a realistic video like this. So, in this video, I will share the full step-by-step guide to making high-quality marketing videos. If you are into e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or you're a faceless UGC creator, or just want to promote your personal product, you can use this video to sell any product and services. As you can see that this video looks so realistic, holding the product firmly and naturally talking. Yeah, you can pump out hundreds of engaging promotional products online without paying thousands of dollars to UGC creators. So hang on tight and let me show you how to create viral promotional video with this powerful tool. This is a big growth guide. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be using this AI marketing generator called TopView AI. This is TopView AI. This is a simple yet powerful marketing video generator right now. Here, you can make realistic AI avatars for marketing just like influencers in over 20 languages. To sign up to TopView AI, just click the link in my description below or on pinned comment. The link will take you to this place where you can sign up for free and start creating. Once you're logged in, your interface will look like this. First of all, you will find the option to create video from URL just by dropping a product link here, and you start creating video about the product. I will show you how to go about that later in this video, so don't skip because it works like magic. Next, you will find all the AI generation tools available here, like avatar marketing video, video avatar, product avatar. They also have photo avatar, also face swap. You can do your face swap here. And there is also AI voice generator and real-time chat avatar and so on. A lot of features are here that you can use, and this is awesome. But for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on product avatar. As you can see, they have thousands of beautiful influencers that you can use to create promotional videos for your product. When you scroll down, you will see different people with different styles, race, professions, in different locations, someone in the car, in gym, and so on, that you could use for your advert. If you want to promote beauty products, medications, and supplement gadgets, you can also promote large products like cycling accessories, clothing, large and small appliances. So you can use any of the avatar to promote any product here. How cool is this? I'm going to go ahead to pick avatar that I'm going to use for my advert. The first thing I'm going to do here is to pick any of the avatar that suits what I want to advertise. So I'm going to pick this lady here. So once you pick this lady, then I will click upload product image. But before I click on that, I will need to get the image of the product you want to promote. You can snap a picture of your product on a white background and upload it here. I want to head on to Amazon store to get the image I want the AI avatar to promote. So for example, I want to download this product. Then I will take a screenshot of this product. If you have a snapper tool on your system, you can just take a screenshot of the product that you want here. Or if you have your real product, ensure you snap it on a white background, that's a plain background, so it will be easier for the AI to extract and work on it perfectly. Take a snap here, then go back to top view and click here that says upload with my product. So I want to replace this product with my product. I want to upload the product image. Click generate. So what the AI is doing now is merging the product image with the product avatar. In a couple of seconds, it is ready. So beautiful. You can see it gave 3 amazing results. You're going to pick your choice from the 3. You can regenerate if you're not satisfied with this. So I will choose this one and I will click image to video avatar and wait for you to animate the image. So what it's doing now is animating the image we chose. Also, it's also doing lip syncing. Then from the animation, I will share what we'll do next. And boom, we have the video of our product avatar. So let us listen to it.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
This is good. What we're gonna do now is to click on save my avatar and use my script. You could also regenerate another one if you don't like those videos. Our image is saved. So let's go to the next part. We want to click on the product avatar. We created and add a script here for the avatar to about the product we place on our hand. So you could add a script here, copy the script, or ask ChatGPT to give you the script or description of what she is holding, and you paste it here. Interestingly, you could import your audio here if you want the voice to be your own voice, or you could change the voice here. In top view, we automatically pick the voice that fits the avatar you chose. Then click generate. So I want to give it a name here. Then leave the rest the way they are and click export. So we have our promotional video here ready. So listen to it and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
I have to tell you about this magic in a jar I found on Amazon. It's from Simply Vital and it's got collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, like the dream team for your skin. I've been using it for a couple weeks and OMG, my face is loving it. It feels super hydrated, way smoother, and that glow, chef's kiss. And get this, it's a science-proven formula. Love that. And over 1 million people on Amazon are obsessed. Sue, I'm clearly late to the party, but better late than never, right? Plus, it's made in the USA and feels super luxe without breaking the bank. Highly recommend if your skin needs some serious love. Go grab it and thank me later.
Could create hundreds of different ones on different locations, showcasing and promoting your product seamlessly. To start a faceless UGC, to me, this is the best tool to go for. So let's make a video product preview only using product link. We will drop the link in this box. To enter the product link in this box, but if you want to create a video with only materials, you could upload it from here. Okay, I'm going back to create video from Amazon product. So I'll be using this lens. I copy the URL here, paste it in the TopView AI URL box here. So after entering the URL, hit the create video button. It will take its time to analyze the URL and collect the data from the URL web page, and that's what it's doing right now. And here is it. You can see that all the images and the videos in the URL has been scripted. Now you have to select the files you want to use in your video. So I don't want to use someone else's image, so I will uncheck them and leave the product images. But if you want to upload a media from your device, you can upload from here also. So this is product details from the script, or you can write your description here, but I want to leave the description as that. So you have more options under here. Script writing style, you will find bunch of options. Carefully check and select one based on your product needs. So after that, you can mention the target audience. I'll be writing photographer. So I'm going to write photographer. Next, go to the video length and choose the length. I will choose this one. You could also add your watermarks. So come to the bottom of your page and pick the aspect ratio according to your platform. Next, set the language. Over 20 languages here. So I will pick English. Also select the voiceover. There are a bunch of voices here. Pick one, or you could clone your own voice. Meanwhile, I will be using voice over here. Let's go to the avatar button here. Vast library of realistic avatar. Okay, so I will click create my own avatar, and we will be picking our avatar from the product avatar. So I will select an avatar here based on the size of the product and gender that I want. So after selecting the avatar, click upload product image. It will replace with my product image. Once the image is uploaded, it removes the background image automatically. You can see that TopView created 3 images. I found this one as the best result. To convert this image to video, click here. It will take some time to generate the avatar, and here it is. The avatar is ready. So let's click on the save avatar from here. The avatar is saved into the avatar library. Now we can create video with this avatar. Okay, choose the images and videos extracted from the product link we pasted here earlier. First, I will select the product avatar for my video. Everything is set. Click generate button. As you can see, the AI is generating the script. A couple of seconds, here are the videos TopView generated 3 powerful videos you could pick from. Listen to them.
Snag pro level photos, ditch the blurry memories. Seriously, this lens changed my whole photography game, yes. Crisp images with creamy bokeh. It's the Canon 70-200mm f2.8. Rain or shine, this tank lens keeps shooting fire pics. Run, don't walk. Grab yours now and slay every shot.
Move forward to the second video.
Photog secret, sharp telephoto shots revealed. Level up your portraits. Like, seriously upgrade them. Crisp images, dreamy bokeh. Prepare to be obsessed. Rain or shine, this lens delivers, no cap. Shaky hands, not a prob. Image stabilization saves the day. Hello, low light king. f2.8 aperture is chef's kiss. Say goodbye to blurry shots. Focus instant.
Second video is also amazing. Note, look at the instruction here. The lip syncing will be completed after uploading the video. You can see automatically TopView created script. A powerful video. To download the video, click on export button. However, if you think you need to edit it further, you can select the edit button and do any modification here. You can reselect, resize it, add font, add transition. You can add background, even the text. So after all had been done, you export the video. You can download the video and publish it on social media to get sales and commission. So you could create a lot of stuff here in TopView AI. So TopView AI so far is a perfect platform for creating video. On the realistic UGC influencer asking to promote a video showing their face, this is the perfect platform to use. Don't forget to try out TopView AI. Come to the pricing. Sign up for free on this platform, can create 6 video preview monthly, and you have access to over 100 plus avatar and AI voices. And then if you go to starter plans and you decided to sign up for $9 per month, you get unlimited video preview. You have 600 credit per year with unlimited save product avatar, and if you increase it to 2 times, you'll be paying $24 per month. And you have access to 1,200 credit per year, and you have access to unlimited save product avatar. But if you decide to pay $39, you'll be having 1,800 credit per year. And you have access to unlimited video preview. That means with $36, you can create 2 or 3 videos every day and start your channel and monetize it even before the unit expires. And this is the sweet spot. With $53, you can create unlimited videos throughout the year. You can create a faceless channel or page and get monetized quick. A business plan have over 3,000 credit per year. Unlimited video preview. You have access to over 500 plus avatar and voices. Time people use AI to push out their product because it's cheaper, flexible and faster to create. I'm going to leave the link to TopView AI in the description. You can sign up for free, and if you have questions, let me know. in the comment section. Subscribe if you are new and click the like button, and I will see you in the next video.